names here. Dale Campaign coming out against Jake Jones. Dale Campaign absent from the first round this year with some other interstate events. Jake Jones here though, and definitely putting on a good display. Both these guys, seasoned campaigners, both in the S13 Sonvia, Sonvia type outfits. Campaign battle now. Dale jumped right up on the inside and really giving a push through there to Jake, saying, hurry up through that start of the S's, mate, you're going too slow.
So the DriftSquid now leads them onto the front straight, up to the chicane. He's got it negotiated now through there nice and cleanly with Jones, but Campaign